back to my channel Cloudy's Secret. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram at @cloudy_secret. Today's video is about an amazing skincare brand which is made in India and we all love this brand, which is Wow Skin Science. I know I have talked about Wow in my previous videos and on my Instagram because I love this brand. So why I love this brand, I want to share with you all as well. Their products, I have talked about them in my various videos and on my Instagram as well. So why I love Wow as a brand? Firstly, it is a made in India brand. So in this present scenario, we must be vocal for local. So we must support Indian brand, and Wow is one of them. Wow was originated from Himalayas. They started their business from Dehradun. So not only they are made in India brand, but they value nature and natural ingredients a lot. That's why they thrive to produce eco-friendly packaging. They try to make their products environment friendly. Their range is completely made of natural ingredients, and they oppose animal cruelty, so they don't test on animals, and they also don't use animal derived ingredients in their products. So it is an amazing brand which is conscious of their outside their nature, and they also believe in empowering women because this was created by a woman for the women. So this brand has some amazing ethics and motto, as well as their ingredients are obviously natural and their products are completely chemical free, which means their product doesn't include any parabens, sulfates, mineral oil or silicone and any other toxic product. So their products are really good for your skin as well. Wow always strive to give the best to their customer, not only in terms of ingredients and skincare product quality, but also they want to make their products available easily to their customers. So Wow has launched their own shopping app. I will put the link in the description box below, so please go download your Wow app. The app is really user friendly. I'll show you in the screen that it has a really easy interface. You can just select your products, add to cart and shop your heart out. So here is the Wow Skin Science app. I have put the link in the description box below so that you can download, and you can see that this is a very well built website app. You have home, you have menu, you can go to categories, you can choose your needed category: nutrition, skincare, hair care, bath and body, even for kids. As I'm showing you, even here you can check all the options, and the visually it is so appealing that it is so easy for you to choose. So yeah, this is a really good app. You can shop easily, and you can also get some amazing combos where you can save some money. So shop your heart out. That you must sign for Wow Pro. Why? Because you will get amazing discount. Their website runs a lot of surprise giveaways as well, which is one of them is going on right now. So all you have to do is sign up for Wow Pro, then shop your heart out, and you will be eligible to win some amazing prizes. Make sure you do that before 31st July because that's the end date of this amazing giveaway. So do participate. As I told you that shopping from Wow app is really easy. So I have got myself this amazing Wow Ubtan kit. This is a luxurious Ubtan kit. This is perfect recipe of the age-old Ubtan with amazing ingredients. So if you want to remove your tan, get a glowing skin, this is the perfect solution for you all. So without a further ado, I will show how I use this product, and you will see the result in front of your eyes. facial kit is really easy. Only 4 steps to get that beautiful glowing skin, and this will not only give you a glowing skin, but the last step, which is a sunscreen serum, that will help to nourish and protect your skin from harm sun rays. So this kit is a all in all really amazing kit. This is really affordable as well. The quality of this product is really good, so I have put the link of this product in the description box as well. So all you can do is go to the Wow app and buy this amazing product, and you will find more amazing products in the website and the app as well. So shop them and participate in the Wow Pro giveaway. And that's all for today. I will come back with much more amazing videos super soon. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram at @cloudy_secret. Till then, bye bye.